How to fix Ome TV camera loading error. Hi guys, in this video we will teach you a quick fix on how to do a resolution if your camera here keeps on loading, like this one on the right side panel of the screen. All you have to do is simply go to your web camera settings and make sure that you have the right webcam device that you will be using for this application or platform. Or you need to check the extensions as well. Maybe one of the extensions that you're using here for Ome TV hinders you from using the camera, or it prevents you from using the camera for you to use Ome TV here in this platform. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to fix if ever your Ome TV camera detects or it has a loading error. And then once that is fixed, you can just simply refresh the web page and you will see that your camera will now be up and running. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.